Welcome friends to the Client Solutech YouTube channel. To create business card, you need two most important things before you start. So, what is the first thing? The first thing is the content, the text in your business card that you want to display to your customer or potential people. And the second thing is design. You must have certain or specific design in your mind. What type of business card you want to create. But for this you can take help on the web. You can search on Google for sample business card samples, visiting card samples, and you will get idea for designs. But if you can't do it, or if you are not able to do it, you can use Microsoft Word and pre-designed templates. This is the first approach to create business card. The second is you can create it manually as well. So there are two ways to create business card, manually and by using templates. So let's start with templates. How to use create business card by using template. Just click on new document in Microsoft Word, and these are I have already downloaded created the samples of business card by using Microsoft Word. And to create business card, you just have to search for business card template. Just type business card, and here you can see various options to create all types of business card with border, with personal flower, personal business cards, and etc. So let's, for this example, and along with photo, real estate business card, it means business categories. You can categorize as per the as per design, and you can categorize as per content. You can also categorize or choose template based on your business category or your business types of business. So for example, let's take this one, and click on this, and then click on create. When you click on create, it will automatically download it from the web and insert it in your page. So now what you have to do is to replace the text in this document and in these business cards, and then with your own text. So how you can do it? So let's start with this. First, what you have to do is to select these options. So if you get the option to change picture, then great, in any kind of template, or from here, or from format menu. If you get option to change image, if it's an image, but it's created through a group. So now first you have to delete it. Now in this place you have to insert your own business logo. To do it, click on insert, then click on picture, and picture from this device. For example, if I liked it to use it's my logo, for example, and I selected it and I insert it here. Now you can see it's all over the place. Now I will, from here I will reduce its size, but now it's inline, we can't move it to down. And to make it movable, right click on this and then click on in front of text. Now after this you can move your logo. Now here you can enter your company name or adjust your company name as per the style. Now for this, select all and select this and reduce its size. It's just for a sample. I'm just showing you the sample. I'm not creating a final copy, but you can understand how you can do it. So, and from here you can change the text. Here you can enter your address, and here you can enter your website. Now once the design part and content part is complete, now we have to make it for print. We have to print this business card. So to do it, but here you can see that we haven't changed these all of the options, so, and we don't need to do it, and I will show you this some other method. Just select and press Ctrl Shift press shift and then click on each of these category and objects or design parts like this. When all of these parts are selected, right click on this and click on group. Now it's a group and we have completed the business card. Now copy this one and control N for new document and control V for paste. Now you can see the difference between size. When we downloaded the template, you can see the size here and here you can see the size. So what we have to do is visit layout option and narrow the margins. And once you done it, just copy and paste. Copy this card and paste it. Now you have second copy and move it to right. After that, select both with shift click and right click and click on group. After that, again copy and paste. Now you can insert as many as you want. And to print this or to preview it, visit file option and click on print. Now you can see how it will appear in paper. And here you can select the printer to print this document or this business card. You can insert 3 more rows here. And from here, once it's all, you can select the copies. How many copies do you want? If you are using 10 copies in one page, now you can select here 10. So this is the way you print. It's your own choice. But this is the first method to create business card by using templates and pre-designed templates in which you just have to replace the text of template with your own text or own business text that you want to display. But to create business card manually, you all need design idea in your mind and also content idea. So let's do it manually now. And to do it manually, it's similar. You have to insert a shape and after that you can design it. And the design will depend on yourself. I am just creating it for a quickly. So it's on you how you want it. And now if I want to insert image here, just visit insert and insert the image that you want to display. Now it's a back side. Right click on this and click on in front of text. And after that, you have to use all of these shapes as per your design idea and what type of business card that you want to create. And you can also use various other options, gradient functions and layouts. To insert text here, you can create any type of design. I am just doing it for sample. Now to insert text box here, click on insert and now click on text box. These are pre-designed text, but click on draw text box and here you can enter your company details and what type of things you want to share. After that you can make it also a design. You can also design it and change the text color. So these are the ways you can use. Once it's done, click on shift, press shift and also click on these elements and right click and click on group. Once your design is created, you just have to copy and paste this as long as you want, like this. And you have to adjust its size also. And once it's So this is the way to create business card in Microsoft Word. If you want to know more, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching the video.